napakalamig na talaga naman. Nagyayelo na po dito sa amin. Super na po ang lamig. Good morning nga po pala sa inyong lahat. And good morning to everybody. And I hope you guys doing okay today. And in a good health also. And thank you so much for your supporting my video. And right now we are start going to be snow in this area, in this part of the winter season, and it's really dark now due of the snow. And look at the mountain, you can't see anymore. That's how the winter time here. This is my first experience actually, but I don't realize that it's gonna be a very strong like this. But I hope that it will not match today. But in the next couple days, that's what is gonna be I see in the weather forecast, it's gonna be very bad. Ayan po, at talaga namang hindi nyo na makita ang daan sa taas. Sobrang yelo. Kaya ano na po talaga, panahon na ng tagyelo dito sa amin lugar. Hindi na makontrol kumbaga. Panahon na ito ng taglamig. At napakadilim po, ayan. Sobrang lamig. Makikita nyo halos lahat ng tao mga nakabalot na. Tsaka ang kalye hindi na masyadong dahil nagyayelo na nga po. Kaya ito na po yung sinasabing ayan, umuulan ng yelo dito. Makikita nyo umuulan ng yelo. Grabe. Hindi pa po yan, kumbaga simula pa lang yan, pero ayan na po, pumapatak na ang snow. Kaya ito po yung pinaka-ingat-ingatan ko na hindi ka pa na-experience magmaneho ng na-snow dito sa